Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. DPI, or dots per inch, is a measure of the resolution of an image or a printed document. In the context of Python, DPI is often relevant when working with graphical elements, such as images or plots. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to handle DPI in Python using the popular Matplotlib library as an example. Before we begin, make sure you have the Matplotlib library installed. You can install it using DPI refers to the number of dots, or pixels, per inch in an image or printed document. Higher DPI values result in finer details and higher quality, but they also lead to larger file sizes. In Python, DPI is particularly important when creating and saving plots, as it determines the resolution of the saved image. Matplotlib is a powerful plotting library in Python, and it allows you to control the DPI when creating and saving plots. Let's go through a simple example. In this example, we've created a simple sine wave plot using Matplotlib. The crucial part is setting the DPI with plt.figure, DPI equals custom_DPI. You can replace custom_DPI with your desired DPI value. Once you've created a plot with the desired DPI, you might want to save it as an image file. Here's how you can do it. This code uses plt.savefig to save the plot as an image file with the specified DPI. Understanding and controlling DPI is essential when working with graphical elements in Python. Matplotlib provides a straightforward way to set DPI when creating and saving plots, giving you control over the resolution of your visualizations. Experiment with different DPI values to find the right balance between quality and file size for your specific needs. ChatGPT.